Thank you for your interest in NuView's Grand Raised Garden Bed. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your raised garden bed. A lot of care has gone into the design of NuView's products so that they are easy to assemble and no tools are required. Step 1. Remove all components from the retail box. Step 2. Slide together top and bottom panels. Step 3. Place the first corner post in position. Step 4. The Grand Raised Garden Bed has reversible panels to allow you to choose the look you want: classic finish or contemporary rail finish. Determine which finish you prefer before completing. Step 5. Slide bottom side panel through open slot in the corner post. Step 6. Push bottom side panel downwards and line up slot in panel with bottom of corner post. Step 7. Slide top panel through the open slot in corner post. Step 8. Repeat steps 4, 5, and 6 for remaining panels and corner posts. Step 9. When panels are connected to corner post, it should look like this. Step 10. Place locking cap on post. Line up tabs with panel slots, push down and snap into place. Step 11. Repeat step 10 for remaining 3 corner posts. Add soil and plants. Enjoy your growing experience.